Hello back everyone. So throughout this session we're gonna discuss about do while. Do while basically is doing the same what is for loop or while loop is doing. By end of day it's basically a loop. And here is it, it's only one difference between while and do while. We will figure it out once we write our first do while. Here is it. First of all, to write do while you need to put your initialization, which is basically let I equal 1. And after that, I will start by saying do. Hey, yeah, no need for condition here. Just directly, you're gonna print out what's going on over there. Here is it, I'm gonna print out my first statement. And as well, I will start to increment I++. And after all, I will go to check if my condition is fulfilled or not. So, hey Darwish, that means that you are first of all execute the statement wherever the condition is fulfilled or not? Yes. And here is a very important question in any interview. Do while at least executing one time? Yes. While loop executing one time? No. Alright, because in while loop, if your condition is not working, you will never execute your statement. But hey, in do while, you have to fulfill. In do while, you have to execute your statement at least one time, and later on, you're gonna check your condition. This is basically the difference between do while and while.